Hi, sharing in amazing news about space science. Defunct Aeolus satellite will be deliberately crashed into the Atlantic Ocean today as experts unprecedented and daring attempt to steer it back to Earth safely. Aeolus has been orbiting Earth at an altitude of 200 miles for 5 years. However, after successful mission, its fuel is almost spent. Mission controllers have embarked on a daring and unprecedented attempt to steer 1.3-ton Alice probe into the position that will see it crash harmlessly into the Atlantic Ocean. Almost 20% of the debris is expected to reach the surface and remaining will burn up in the atmosphere. Thanks for watching.